one of his defense attorneys, Todd Blanche, really took his paintbrush to fundamentally paint the picture that Cohen is unreliable. Do you think he did a good job of that?
I love that analogy. I use it all the time. In trials, we have builders and we have painters. Prosecutors are building their case. They're laying brick by brick, foundation by foundation, to attempt to show support for their case. Defense attorneys on cross-examination, if you're good, you're a painter. You're Michelangelo. You're the best. Picasso, Van Gogh, name one. Todd Blanche at points yesterday was just that. And at some point, he looked like he was in an elementary school trying to figure out how to do paint by numbers. It was up and down. It was just disjointed. But when he locked in, when he focused on his argument, when he tried to trip Cohen up, he did an excellent job. When it got personal, when it was attacks on him, when he felt like he had to defend Trump's honor, I think he misstepped. And you can see that. I mean, we obviously couldn't see or hear, but from the typing, the messages from the people in the courtroom were that some of the jurors were disinterested. They weren't looking. They weren't paying attention. Most of them were back and forth, but a couple were just like, okay, is this over? That's problematic because you want all your jurors to be back and forth like they're watching a tennis match. You ask a question, he answers. That wasn't happening throughout. And the times when it didn't happen, he may have missed a stroke, and it happens.
Well, prosecution is set to rest its case. What do we expect from the defense, and will Trump take the stand?
So procedurally, the very first thing, once the prosecutor says, Your Honor, the state's case is over, the very next thing you'll see is defense stand up and say, Your Honor, we ask for this case be dismissed. That's for appeal purposes. You want to go ahead and secure appeal. The judge will ultimately, Mershon will deny that request, but you want to leave it on the record because if you go back and say, you know what, we want to appeal, and you never actually asked for the case to be dismissed right there before you go on to present any evidence, now you've blown your opportunity to get that on appeal. And in most cases, that would be malpractice. And so Blanche and his team are extremely smart. These are some of the best lawyers in the country. They're going to ask that the case be dismissed, specifically saying that the state hasn't proven their case. Now look at it. On the misdemeanor side, I think the state has done an excellent job proving that case. But on the federal side, the felony cases, I should say, I think those are harder because he has to show that Trump knew, not only disregarded federal election laws when they made these payments. I think that's going to be harder to prove. And if I'm being honest, I'm not sure if I've heard that yet. And if they're ready to close their case right now, I think he may be convicted on misdemeanor counts, but I don't think on the felony side that they have proven their case in chief. And because of that, it may need one or two more witnesses because you laid the foundation, you laid the connections, but to that knowing that you were violating federal law, I didn't hear that.